welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making some Halloween cookies and I'm going to have Gabe decorate them tomorrow. So I apologize if I'm a little scattered, but it's kind of late and I want to make these so tomorrow he can have a fun activity to do. So what I'm going to do is I have some flour here and I'm just going to pour it right onto my working clean surface. And then I have about half a cup of powdered sugar. And you're gonna need a cup and a half, so 3 sticks of butter, unsalted butter. And I'm just gonna, okay. Then you're gonna just take it and chop it like so into your flour. So I made a little well in the center. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do 2 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. So 2 egg yolks. Okay. And I'm gonna use this just to kind of mix it in a little bit, and then we go in with the hands and just knead it. Now we go in and we knead our dough. Okay, so the dough has come together nicely. As you can see, it's very nice. We're gonna just form it into a little disc. It's very buttery. These are very buttery cookies. They're so good though. So I have a piece of plastic wrap. I'm just gonna wrap this up in my plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for 1 hour, and then we're gonna roll these out and make some delicious Halloween cookies. All right, so my dough was in the fridge for like 2 hours, a little bit longer than an hour, but that's totally fine. You can even keep it in the fridge overnight if you wanted to make it the night before. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half. Posypać tym.
Tak. Pokaż, jakie w środku ciasta wygląda, pokażę. Nie tak dużo, nie?
I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit. Just want to show you. See how it's inside, and you can still see some of the pockets of the butter, which is good. So we're gonna roll this out.
Musisz rozłożyć tego mąki dać, nie? Tak, bo ci się przykleja.
Co?
Mąki musisz więcej rozetrzyć.
Right, so you want it about 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit less thick. You don't want them super thin because there's no baking powder in there, so they're not gonna rise. And I got these cute little things, pumpkin, a black cat, and a bat. And tomorrow, Gabe can go to town decorating. I'm just gonna cut it a few out. Okay, so my first batch was already in the oven and I took it out. I'm gonna put my second batch in right now, and you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 380 degrees. And you're gonna bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how thick you make them. I have a problem with making them all one thickness, so I'm trying my best to kind of get the range together, because otherwise we're gonna have one cookie that's crispier than the other. But so 20 to 25 minutes at 380 degrees, and you're gonna take them out. You're gonna let them cool completely before you go ahead and frost them. Hi guys, so I interrupt this video because I filmed how to make the icing for the cookies, and I'm gonna show that to you next, but I didn't have my mic on. So I'm gonna just show you how to make it, but all you're gonna need is powdered sugar, some water, and some lemon juice, and the consistency is gonna depend on how you wanna frost them. If you wanna just put a layer of frosting, you can make it a little bit more runny. But if you want it to be colored, you're going to want to just make it a little bit thicker. So I'm going to show you how to make it, but it's going to be a little bit different because I didn't put my mic on. So I hope you guys like it, and keep watching.